afternoon, Production Department. May I help you?
Good afternoon. This is Nandakan from Research and Development. Is Mr. Bean in?
I'm afraid Mr. Bean is not available. He went to Shanghai office for meeting and will be back at 4 p.m. Can I take message?
Yes, please tell him that Miss Nandakan from Research and Development would like to talk to him.
Excuse me, how do you spell your name, please?
Nandakan.
Nandakan. Is that?
Yes, that's right. No, thank you.
I will give him the message.
Yes, thank you.
Goodbye.